Hey there friends, welcome to the 7th day of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we're going to be making these chocolate cake pops inspired by the ones offered at the Disneyland Resort. They have little Mickey ears on them and this snowflake design. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. So I'm going to get my pre-made cake and just cut this up. I like to use day-old cake for this, it crumbles a lot easier. So I'm just gonna cut up some pieces, crumble this up with my hands. And you're gonna want this almost like a sand texture or like breadcrumbs. And then to this we're gonna add our frosting, and I'm adding my chocolate frosting. The recipe for both the cake and the frosting will be in the description box. With the hand mixer, I'm just gonna be mixing this in. And then with my hand, I'm going to feel how much moisture there is. If it's not coming together, I'll add more frosting to this. You're going to want the texture to be pretty firm. I'm going to try out this cake pop mold to try to get my shapes. I recommend just using an ice cream scoop if you have one. This feels like it took more time to make the balls instead of just scooping them out myself. If you're going to invest in something to make cake pops, I suggest just getting an ice cream scoop. Once you got your balls ready, we're going to chill them for a bit. Once you've had plenty of time to chill them, I'm going to get my sanding sugar for decorations, my Mickey ears made out of candy melts, and then Lollipop Sticks, and my melted candy melt. First, I'm going to put the lollipop stick in with a little bit of that candy melt so that it sticks, and then just remove any of the excess that comes out when inserting the popsicle stick. Let them chill for a bit after you've stuck all the sticks in there. Just give it a couple minutes in the fridge. And then we're going to start decorating, so dip it into the candy melt mixture. Tap your wrist, don't tap the edge of the bowl because you do risk breaking your cake pop. And once you remove most of the excess, you can get your sanding sugar and just start coating it with it. Once you're done, just place it back on your sheet pan or wherever you are placing your cake pops. Before they harden, after you dip them, make sure you add the ears to this. So just place those black candy melts on top, let them harden, and then we're going to decorate it. And as you can see, the reference image is in the back, and I'm just gonna start trying to make these snowflakes. I did the best I could. These came out a lot funkier than I wanted them to, but I tried my best to make some snowflakes. If you're gonna do this, just have some patience and you can practice before doing this. Just take your time when decorating. Once you're done, let it just firm up, and then you're ready to serve them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay up to date with all the videos I post, hit subscribe as well. Here's a quick little inside shot to that cake pop, as you can see. And until next time, stay sweet!